All right. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan. We are live. It is Friday, and I am coming off of. I guess maybe I'll wait for a few of you guys to get in here before I begin my penance. What's up, Pond? What up, Stanford? So yesterday, I guess we all knew that. Oh, was there feedback? Okay, let me move my mic over here. Is that better? All right, there's market open. Dang, bro. Um, yeah, so it's been a pretty freaking awesome last week. And I think we were holding our breath to see what that first red day would be. And it didn't go very well. It didn't go very well. I just couldn't accept it, man. I was so close to, like, it felt so under control. And then I opened my platform to start my review, and I just had to take another trade, man, which led to another trade, which led to another trade, and another trade after that, and max lossing. Not max loss per my rules, but my platform kicked me out because I hit that upper max loss. Man, you called this out the open, Rob. Um, so yeah, 14R minus 14R yesterday, and that's why I couldn't bring myself to do a review video because I was just ashamed. Yup. Yeah, so pretty much right back where I started before the week. Damn, that's how it happens too. You do good and you erase it. Yep. There's just no room for any variations, man. Like, it's just no room for none of that stuff. Man, that thing got slapped up there, huh? Yep. Could be explosive though, man. It just came down there and tested VWAP, higher low too. Yeah, it look crazy now though. Open got destroyed. RNG. Yeah, I know. I mean, honestly, days like yesterday, I just ain't. I just don't have it. Like, it's not. That's why I wanted. That's why the max loss is there, because that's why I wanted it tight too. Because I mean, after 3 trades, bro, my strategy is not that bad. So at that point, it's like, all right, I'm messing up. Let's just call it a day, and we'll try again tomorrow. But it's so hard to do, man. And I was talking to Trey yesterday, and that mentality, all I need is one. All I need is one trade, and everything is fine. And that's how you keep going. And yeah, we got to delete that. That's trash. Look at this nice stock right here, RNG. Earnings 35.50 looks pretty solid. I don't think the issue was a lack of edge though. It was just bad executions. Like the edge is reading price action, man. Taking a 5-minute setup over the previous close is not a edge. That's just the entry, bro. That's not the trade idea. That's just what I'm using as the trigger. The setup is the pattern and everything that precedes that trigger.
OPEN.
I definitely got to stop rushing into these things before they show me their hand. I think we've kind of separated, Bobby. I just think we're seeing completely differently now.
AXTI.
Which I'll take the blame for that. I did kind of break out completely from what I was doing. And basically just started trading.
AXTI.
I just started trading how I see the market. That looks pretty saucy. And man.
OPEN.
Yeah. Yeah, it's such a trip, man. Like right now, it's you don't know where this thing's going. It's inside the first range. Ooh, volume high is way
RNG.
up here too, man. It's looking super sketchy. 512. Definitely is now. I need that joint back over 550.
FNKO.
It's looking pretty cool on the one, but that could definitely just be a little retracement leg to the downtrend. Super weak open. Got me on that one yesterday. Not today, Satan. Yeah, if you get a weak
OPEN.
pullback on this trade, I could definitely see that. But it gotta be weak. It should hold VWAP right here if it's strong though. Yeah, there you go. Beautiful. Can it take out the high though? I don't even mess with it without taking out that high.
AXTI.
285, huh? Stop out the disciplined billies, huh? Is that a thing? Dang, bro, I be wanting to catch these, bro. This is a setup for me. but I think it's too extended already to take it. But that close over view app, then the wick down, I'd be wanting to take that, man. 285. Well, there's the flush.
FNKO.
Man, you and Bobby ain't been trading. Oh, it's definitely stock selection, Bobby. It's definitely stock selection. Uh, I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know because
AXTI.
you can still take a good
FNKO.
trade on a stock that's not like you can look at the execution and say, okay, maybe this isn't the type of stock you normally trade, but for your strategy, that was a good buy. It just didn't play out because all these other variables weren't in line. But if you got that, and then you also take a bad execution along with those other variables, you know, it's garbage. Monday was a holiday. Oh yeah, it's true. Whoa, is my scanner not making noise today? RNG looks great. AXTI. Whoa. Potential breakout on the daily. No news.
FNKO.
Let's see here. Guys to a rebound on AI driven. So is that good?
AXTI. FNKO.
Funko? Is that Funko
OPEN.
Land? Funko Land. Nice daily there. Third green day up, so but breakout. No news on that one. It's kind of cheap, ain't it? I guess it just barely made it over the $5 limit. Dang, that looks pretty.
FNKO.
Earnings. Oh wow,
AXTI.
third day squeeze. Oh, that's too cheap. I ain't messing with that one. What's up, Micro Don? I was just ignoring it, fine.
FNKO.
This really got a nice move going on the one here. Yeah, see, this is the same setup too. The wick above, the close above VWAP, and then the wick to VWAP and the break. Same thing. I'm telling you, man. It just this one looks too extended. They both look pretty extended actually. AXTI, same thing, man. Same thing. This one's not extended though.
AXTI.
Now what I want to do with them, I want to look for that first pullback. That first pullback. Yeah, I'm about to get rid of open. Open ain't talking about nothing. AXTI RNG. I guess that's with Funko. Man, AXTI is doing too much though. Wave Rider. Big. Not much of a gap there, but cool little daily setup. Accelerating 40% growth. Okay, Wave Rider. Daily's pretty trash, but this is actually nice. Look at this pre-market action up here in the way.
Fig.
Fig. Just popped up. It's only up 8% though. And I mean, $305. $300. Okay, that's pretty good.
OPEN.
OPEN coming back.
Fig.
Yeah, I got AXTI up. AXTI RNG. Yeah, the daily on Fig is trash though. Funko's much better. Yeah, Joker below the. Yeah, we ain't gonna mess with ain't gonna mess with Fig. Yep, for sure. For sure, it's way up there though. Back to VWAP. Dang, bro, this thing want to get bought up.
FNKO.
They want to get bought up.
FNKO.
You wouldn't touch it with Dirk's money. That's funny. Hmm. Hmm. Looks a lot more takeable now. Looks a lot more takeable now. She done plotted out some levels.
OPEN.
Damn. Oh, you on FIGG. I was looking at FIG. That's funny. It's moving up nice. Yep, there it goes. That was it, man. That was it. Should have had my dailies leveled out, man. That would have been a no-brainer. To VWAP plus the level. CDIO, what's that doing? Let that mug take out 310 first, man. Man, volume is super dry over here. I didn't even realize that. I don't know if that matters though for these caps.
FIVN. OPEN.
Okay, open making some noise over here. Look at that. Hmm. Yeah, I was wilding, OG. Wilding. Yeah, I get it. This mother's frozen, bro. Don't nobody care about this joint. uh, Cash is a position too. Yeah, no doubt. Low 2781. I don't know what you're talking about, Bob. I got all these beautiful uptrends on my watch screen right here. Whatever do you mean, sir? Mm-hmm. I feel like I missed RNG. This feels pretty high too, but it's only 3 candles up, 2 back. That's pretty nice. Light volume on the pullback. This is pretty awesome right here. Almost don't even want to wait. Just buy that joint right now before it run off on me. Yep, surely is. I think I'm gonna wait for that one to jump up and come back. Well, I'm looking to buy it. I don't know if I'm gonna buy it yet. We'll see how this 5 minute candle closes and what the one's looking like. Damn, bro, that was a nice play over here, bro. I just didn't have my levels up there. This would have been a cool Level to level trade. Mm-mm-mm. Just hold that low.
INSG.
So what is your issue with this stock, Bobby? What am I missing here? Hmm. Yeah, you missed the recap knives. Yeah, I had a little issue off stream. Well, I guess it's a big issue. Okay, there goes that idea. Opening up more. Oh,
Order filled.
mm, yeah, you did. You ain't take it though.
FIVN.
Yeah, that's wild after
Order filled.
two greens. Oh, snaps. We back over here.
Order filled.
I don't know, Knives. You just forget. You get in the moment and you start formulating an idea and you just forget the bigger picture and you just get caught up in the moment. uh,
FIVN.
just a little mistake. We're gonna wait for the higher high over 550s for sure next time. That's what's up, Knives. It's called tilt, yeah. That's what's up, Microdine. You in there? What's your average? Nice. Cause I'm not tripping on it, bro. Next trade. What I'm gonna sit here and be all sad about this loss for when it's another stock setting up? You know? This is actually a look like a retry right here, but I ain't gonna do two at the same time. But yeah, I mean, you wanted me to sit there and do a monologue about that loss first. On to the next, man.
AAOI.
Yeah, I'm pretty sad about not having this level drawn out on FNKO. I was sitting here like, went and marked up the daily, came back like, and it's already gone. Already gone. Be like that sometimes. This is freaking textbook right here. Bobby mad as heck at me, you know? It's like, bruh, it's like a beautiful uptrend to view at, you know? Light volume on the pullback. I'm triggered.
RCAT. W.
Thank you, Pond. Gosh. Gosh. Damn, I only got one share, yo. Entry was pretty wide. See if we can get a adder over here somewhere. Back to the EMA. Yeah, I appreciate it, Red. I still, y'all my people though. Y'all my squad. So I want to be, on the same page. But target on AXTI.
TNDM.
Maybe 32. I appreciate it, OG. Yeah, I definitely appreciate the accountability, but there are instances where we just kind of are on two different pages. I feel like me and Bobby have Gone into two different books now. I mean, the stop is too wide. There doesn't need to be a win or a loss to see the obvious that the stop is wide AF. Like, and then entry pretty late too. I just wasn't convinced until it actually broke back over VWAP. But yeah, like 28-10, 28-11, that would have been way more clutch. Such a huge difference between AXTI and open, though, right? All I needed to do was let this freaking red candle close. But yeah. Really? Like all of them, it's just over with? It's going up? Oh no, it's going down. Wait. Is this the news part? Or is this the news part? uh, come on down here, dog. The green is the news part. Point out the bounce. It's the buy right here. Splat. do, do, do. Do, do, do. Do, do, do. You think they'll let me sell half a share at high day? Bruh, these two right here just like no red at all. I'm telling you, bro, I'm about to engage this joint right here. Engage. All right, hopefully we can get an adder at 29. Just at least get one more share. Damn, my heart rate is up high. I think it's because I'm cold. I'm cold. This thing might not go back down. Minus 40, bruh. It's actually been pretty nice in KC until last night. It dropped down to 20. It had been like 40s and 60s all week. Last night it got cold. Is that as close as we getting? Looks pretty strong. Yeah, I got you, Bobby. I want to do those things as well. I completely concede that that is the path to success. Um, yeah, I mean that's what I'm working on right now. Like I feel like the trading has gotten pretty good. It's just the discipline side that needs a lot of work. Come on and touch this EMA, bro. 29. It might need another 5-minute pullback too after this. Hmm. Yeah, that part, Trey. That part. Man, volume getting kind of thin over here though. Okay, almost there. CDIO. Good luck, my boy. That's a crazy question, Microdon. uh, that's hilarious. Probably. Need a nice wick with volume, man. That would be cool. Yeah, bust it down a little bit. 30 seems to be a level. There to bust down. Yeah, I'm cool with the grinder, Rob. Grind all the way up there to 32. Would be cool. Bust it down to the EMA. See if we can get it wick. Dang, want to come all the way back like that. Thumb down. All right.
TLX.
Might as well touch VWAP now. That's funny, Pond. Yo, I want FNKO over here, man, but it just feels like it's way up high. It's only the second green candle, but on the 15. This is a beautiful.
Order filled.
Yeah, I went pretty tight on the stop. It's gonna come down to VWAP now. Dang, somebody bought 29.48. Allergic to stocks with volume. Damn. Added myself out of this one.
Order filled.
I knew it wanted VWAP, man. Gotta wait for the VWAP when it come that close. And I actually meant to share size with my stop under VWAP. I just kind of jumped in there. This is low. Low. 28.67. It's about to hit it now. It's gonna be a better entry than all the other ones though. 28.95 by 28.67.
Order filled.
Bobby, I've been adding for like 2 weeks, bro. We still think that ad's not I'm not in the game. Mhm. Hmm. Looking good now. Mm-hmm. Man, I totally violated myself right here, man. All my ads I've been doing before today, I would still keep my stop here when I hit the add button. So really it should have threw one share on there. And then it would have came down again. I could add another share and still be, light on risk, sort of. But I like where we at right now. If we can get this bid up over 29, that joker just been chilling right there. Let's go. 10-cent spread. There you go. Open printed. Ah.
ATOM.
Now it's looking ready though. The scanner's actually pretty legit right now. The scanner's doing pretty good. It took me a few days to dial it in, but it's giving me nice gaps. I think I need to kind of maybe adjust the volume, but I don't know. Volume's not necessarily. I just don't want to get like these. There's a couple popping up on the scanner with less than 1 million shares traded. I think I can put that for sure as a limitation. Daily volume over $1 million. Not your thing anymore? Yeah, I'm cool. I really don't want to trade nothing under $5 anymore. Damn, that worked out too. That worked out.
ATOM.
Not so much. It's just too extended to me to buy it way up there. This would have been the spot. Then you just all gravy up here. Yeah, I've kind of migrated over to the large floats microdime. Oh, RXT is a big float. Yeah, but at $2, what's that all about? Yeah, open, trade up, and then retest the opening range of this high. That'd be pretty cool. It'd be a cool long. I look ready on the one right now.
ATOM.
Might be the lower high right there. Mm.
Order filled.
Nice. Oh yeah, too much time to think. Boy, we take out 30, man. I'm gonna be very happy. And then we got 3080. I really want 32 out of this bad boy. That's what's up. 5-minute fractals. All the buyers on RXT. Whoa, clean, boy. Nice. You took AXTI too, Pond? Come on, 74. Nice. Yeah, I was a little early to open. I needed to wait for that red. Getting in after 2 green candles is diabolical. Diabolical. Come on, take out 74. Take out 75. Take out 30. Beautiful. Beautiful. Man, this was cold right here. We cool though. Man, appreciate it, Pond. See if we can get to where I'm trying to get to. I'm definitely going to take some out through highs. But I really want 32. Actually, I don't think I am. $32. Hmm. It's gone a lot already, though. Dang, I wish I didn't fumble that ad right there. It's all good, though. Wasn't managed too bad. Cut CDIO. It's a trip how much different this is from open. Got caught in the sidewinder, bro. I'm so mad about that. Now look at it. Super saucy, bro. It's time to get back in open pond. Interference, Trey? Dang, bro. That's like me going past max loss, my man. That's what's up. I hear that. This candle close over the open, man. Could be pretty saucy. It's quite a nasty pullback right there, though. Oh, snap. What we got? 2R territory on AXTI. Yeah, that one, man. It's flattening out at the top, though. It's probably got to pull back the VWAP now. Ooh, look at 30. 30 stacks, bro. I hope we can take it out. Yeah, Ali. Dang. Maybe I should sell 30 and see if I can buy back. That's what Rob will tell me.
FNKO.
Man, bro, I can't believe I missed this. It's y'all fault, Mr. No Two Trades at the same time. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Cold-blooded. I'm not flowing, yeah. Mm. That's the thing about days like yesterday. They really hurt your confidence. Like if I would have just stopped after like 2 losses, 3 losses, and it would have been like, all right, just had a bad day. But like taking like 10 more trades and being wrong on all of them, it's just like, bro, you ain't got it. You trash. Just take them all. Shut up, Bobby. uh, no two at once. Uh, ABTS. Joker just riding the EMA real nice though.
FIVN.
Nice little calm tap to the EMA. Bro, if we take out 30, they
FIVN.
buying towards the ask on the market. I don't know how that works when you buy in between. Like, how does the price get chosen? All right, OG. Micro Don killing it. Hmm. Kind of looks like an ad right there. It's not enough though. Damn. Nah, I'm good with these two ads down here. Hmm. Bruh, FNKO was a runner. Mm-mm-mm.
FIVN.
FIVN. Oh, that ad would have been sweet. But we got enough. I can't put no more risk on this bad boy. Come on, 30 break. Yo, the 30 break is going to be bananas. I can feel it. That means it's not. Let me chill out. I swear every time I get excited about a move, it don't happen. Tap 30. Got 30.05 on the ass. Come on, man. Buy it up. Thanks, Bond. Come on, 30 break. I don't like that red volume on that candle, but that's because that was the 30 break candle, maybe? Come on, man. Come on, man. We're going to have to sit through another pullback. Can count on it. Hey, it's been working out pretty well the last few days though, Rob. Yo, RNG, man. There's something out here. Once again, not having your daily leveled out. I don't know what happened to that habit. Come on, 30. Man, I appreciate that, Rob. That's what's up right there, man. That's what's up. No way. Did you? I want to be more aggressive on those taps to VWAP on the way up, man. That's really what I want to do. Sometimes you just got to get on the train. Yeah, I'm just I'm getting closer to letting go of the fear of being wrong. Like losing on open didn't bother me at all. This looks solid right here though. 15 down to VWAP, higher, high, higher, low. Close. 43, 45 on the entry maybe. Mm. 45 actually pretty nice level from yesterday.
FIVN.
Man, that's big volume on that red candle on AXTI. Is this push heisty? Higher high, higher low over VWAP, man. Looks like chop.
FIVN.
Order filled.
Let's find out. Under pre-market high. But there's like hardly any volume between, well, that 545 level is like pretty nice. uh, my bad, Rob. I'm used to like 4 or 5, so 2 is actually pretty modest. I am unsubscribing. Hmm. I got you, Bobby. Yeah, I actually did that before. I had another tab open so I could have both up at the same, two montages, one for each one. It's not a bad idea. Nah, man, I'm looking for that 30 break, Rob. That's what I'm here for. It'll all make sense if I get to my target, Rob. I guess it all makes sense if I don't too, huh? Ooh, look at that volume. Gotta take out 47 to get comfortable. Well, my stop is where it's at. I can't move it up until I get a new high after this red candle. So if it pulls back into my stop, then I will lose. Stop playing for losses? What do you mean? 29.45. I don't like breaking 15-minute lows. So 29.45. Man, I just don't want to pull it up that high. That's right up under there. Mm. All right. I failed. Oh, snaps. Just waiting for that 30 break, and I'm moving my stop to 54. Maybe 47.
Order filled.
Am I buying? Thinking about it. Nah, I hear you. All right. So open again. I want to stay above my green line, to be honest. Uh, it just, yeah, VWAP needed to be pulled up here by this volume to really make sense of this thing. Below open price, pre-market, and range. Yeah. Get caught up sometimes. Players mess up. I know, bro. It's so clear, isn't it? It's like so clear. I know I can stop doing this. I can definitely stop doing this. Like this be jacking me up all the time. I've always just been attracted to chop for some reason. Well, things take time, bro. Things take time. I already got a plan to override this. Yeah, but structure falls into pattern. They have to be in alignment. There's 30 on the printer. Pooh Shiesty set up. Yeah, that's trash. Thanks, Trey. Is this that refreshing we be looking for, Trey? What's happening right here? I guess they both kind of doing it, but this
FIVN.
one was doing it. Hmm. Man, it's cracking them levels.
AAOI.
Yeah, that was wild. Change those two things, Trey, and yesterday is completely different. I should have sold 30.
FIVN.
Level 2 looking wild now. Sure is dropping down. Looking for some buyers.
FIVN. AAOI. AAOI. FIVN.
Mm. Y'all want to help me next week? Help me stay out of chop. Y'all just fill the chat with chop when y'all see me looking at something like this. Just chop. And I'll be like, ah. Aha. Yeah, I think I wish that the pre-market high. Well, yeah, you said the open and everything. Yeah, you're right. Still try though. What's it gonna be over here, man? Volume looks real thin now. Second 15-minute pullback candle.
AAOI. FIVN.
It actually looks pretty sweet right here. You wait for that one to get back over the EMA.
AAOI.
Okay, so
FIVN.
Nah, we still good. Hmm. 30 was such a clear level of resistance to not sell at, but oh yeah, that's a wrap.
AAOI.
28.50. You have proof? What's the proof? What you mean? Hmm. But I can have my cake and eat it too, because I can sell here and I can add back
AAOI.
here. That's what I forget that in the moment. But we'll get there.
FIVN.
I don't know though. That one don't look like you want to get back up there. Well, it's. I mean, I don't think that would be called a scalp if I sold at 30. But F win rate.
AAOI.
Yeah, that's true. Sitting through the pullbacks. But nah, I think I can hybrid that joint. That's why I really feel like I can get high percentage and high R's. It doesn't have to be a buy and a sell and then that's your high R's. Like it can be multiple, you know, like a market wizard.
FIVN. AAOI.
Facts, Trey. I've been doing it the last 2 weeks, Bobby. Well, the last week.
AAOI.
Just saying. Man, FNKO the one that got away today, though. We'll see. Let's see if that one could get back over to EMA and give me a higher low on the green side. The volume is just trickling down so much. Nah, they be critical on my green days too. Bobby been
AAOI,
going in on me consistently every day. Every day. 11R, 7R, don't matter. I'm sure it's frustrating watching me do stupid stuff every day though. So I get it. When you see the potential. Dang, it's 11:14, yo. Yeah, I get the point. Nah, it's entertaining. Alright. What's it gonna be, AXTI? What's it gonna be? Hmm. Interesting. It's the moment right here. What's it gonna be? VWAP is flatlining, though. Just ain't no volume left. Got a nice little wall at 90 right there. Hmm. And it's the third 15. Yeah, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. 90's gone. Hmm. Maybe not. What am I gonna work on? Um, Stop it, bro. um, I actually have a specific objective. I thought I mentioned it. It's slipping my mind at the moment. Dang, did I say it out loud, Trey? I gotta go back and read through my messages or something. But I have like a really solid what my study plan was. Yeah, I put too much weight on that 30 break, per usual. It's probably gonna break below VWAP, stop me out, retest this level, and then go. Hmm. All right, Pom. Appreciate you, bro. It's so weird. These over the ask orders keep going through. Buying it like 29.11, 29.07. Yeah. 28.72. Last hope is VWAP. Nice little volume candle into that low. Could this be the bottom? Yeah, it died. Definitely when the volume started dying, I should have tightened up. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I see it now, Rob. 29.14. Yeah, I'll take these losses though over these losses. I think definitely when I get the ad though, I want to tighten up. Hmm. Too bad. Mm-hmm. Thanks, knives. 4 base hits is a home run though. I was looking for a break of 30. Thought we were gonna get it. Went up to like 30.06 and that was that. And I sold nothing. And now we are 5 cents from my stop loss. Maybe. I'm trying to get kind of a hybrid thing going where I'm taking shares but still holding for the move. I want the move, but I can still take some shares on the way. That's kind of where I want to get this thing to where my goal is, okay, my goal is 32, but I'm gonna sell at 30. I'm gonna sell at, you know, 30 was just so
Order
heavy
filled.
on the level 2. It was just screaming to sell. Well, that's why I'm here trying to get it right every day, knives. Um well, It would have been more like giving back a 1K winner for 3K or 4K, but yeah. Oh, yeah, I agree. I agree. My big winners this week. I'm definitely not thinking of it as scalping, but you about to be surprised, Knives. You forgot. Okay, this one I just held that joint forever. uh, Pretty reckless. That's just one though. Let's keep it moving. Let's keep it moving. What's that? We got buys and sells, buys and sells. Hold up. Well, you the one said pull up the biggest winners, bro. I'm trying to find that one that I was hitting in and out on. Okay, here we go. 20 samples challenge. I don't think I got 20 yet. Yeah, I think this one of the stocks that made me feel like I was selling too much early, especially this sale. The problem is, like with a stock like this, I mean, the move kind of is already made, and I'm just at this point we're looking at bounces, and I just expectations just weren't lined up really. But I mean, sometimes they'll roll and sometimes they don't. But this is a really wide range move. I'm talking about 24 to 31. It's pretty big. Mm-hmm. What is that one? I can't remember what that one was. Hmm. Hmm. That's pretty cool. Hmm. Yeah, I remember the sauce. I know this show ain't it. Yep. I still don't. I guess I don't know. Scalping, I have a weird connection in my head, but I don't want to scalp like all the way out of the position. Like when I was buying and selling those other trades, I wasn't selling my entire position. I was always maintaining a position, but I was just chipping off where I could and adding back where I could. Yeah, but if I'm carrying shares the whole time I'm buying and adding, that doesn't make sense. Hmm. I'll tell you what though, I got three examples of this setup today, knives. Three of them. Nah, I got more than that though. I just haven't compiled them. I can find tons of them. I see it every day. I just need to gather them all and quantify quantify the ones that work and the ones that don't. Hmm, that makes a lot of sense, Rob. Hmm. Nah. I really like how I've been trading this last week. Um, my only issues really are chop and maybe some adjustments to my management. But like my entries on my good trades on the uptrends have been pretty solid. Yeah, we good. I'm gonna cut this type of stuff out right here. I only want to be trading up above these green and pink lines. Like if I just that line in the sand will, I think, keep me out of this kind of stuff. My eyes just got too used to trying to get in before the uptrend starts, and I'm trying to unprogram that. No below. So different.
PRGS.
It's unbelievable. Yeah, I don't want to play in the range at all though, Trey. I'm cool. It's just unnecessary. Yeah, that's facts. That's facts. Nah, I don't really have a firm start time, but this month at least, all of my like most of my losses are in the first 30 minutes. Like all of my big green trades were after 10 o'clock, except for maybe one. So definitely makes me want to stay out of the open. But this play right here though, I'm telling you, I'm about to get my 20 screenshots on this entry right here. It's going down, knives. Same thing here. Same thing here. No, I'm gonna find the thing, bro. I've been watching this thing for years, bro. Watching it for years. Nah, not the open candle, the second one. Oh yeah. I already got a pretty basic rule set for it too. The close has to be above pre-market high, and the second candle has to test VWAP. 50 examples of it working? Dang. No, I'm saying, and it still wasn't good enough. It still was a failed strategy. All right, y'all. It's getting late. I'm gonna get out of here, man. Hmm. Well, when I traded the orb, I didn't have what I'm looking at right now. Did I ever actually just buy the orb though? Yeah, I know, bro. That's literally the trade I'm talking about, Rob. Are you talking about buying this wick? Yeah, no, I'm cool on that. I'm gonna wait for that second candle. Yeah, you ain't lying. Yeah, come holla at me, Ghost. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing, Trey, and I'm gonna add the VWAP or breakout if I can find enough examples to make it to get Knives approval. Uh, yeah, I'll let you have the wick. I'll take the second one though. Man, that's cool, but man, that's super nice knives. Nah, I'm not worried about you. RNG. I felt like that was gonna be a go. It looked pretty obvious. AXTI looked like it kind of want to restart too. I'm done, man. I'm out of here, y'all. Hit that like button for me, man. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord link is in the description. I will be here tomorrow morning, God willing. And come hang out, man. Holla.